Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. We're out with the chickens. This is one of our roosters. And here's our other rooster. And all their ladies. Although I actually have another rooster. I'll have to go and see him. So they've done a phenomenal job of clearing all of the greenery from down round about here. Well done, chickens. Thank you very much. Great job. Great job. They're having some scratch grains on the ground just now. They've got all their food, their water with their additives. And that was my other rooster. We shall go and see him. He's a frizzle. And he is. Hi, sweetheart. Let's move. Good. Hello. This is him here. He's a sort of very mottled looking chappy. And he's got the funniest little crow. And you see they've cleared down here. These chickens are far more efficient than the blinking goats, honestly. Right, sweetheart, you're going that way? There we go. Let's go see where you're clearing. Good job, guys. So they've cleared this bit here. Slow and steady progress. I greatly admire my chicken's dedication to the job. So they go all the way down here. In fact, there's more down here, actually. If I fall, we'll suddenly go up in the air, but hey. So this is them. It's like Spot the Chicken. I've got 5, 6 down here doing a phenomenal job. So they're just eating away at all the undergrowth. And I'm hoping the ticks, because that would be handy. So it's like a chicken playground down here. Are you coming down to see me? This is my little boy that waits for me at night time so that I can take him inside in person, honestly. And if you look at him, he's missing a toenail. Isn't that right? It is. And here comes the other rooster. They're not besties, but they've got enough room to be able to... Yes, that's right. Spread your wings. So, that's what we're working with down here. So they're happy, healthy, and doing a good job.